So I can tell you it's about 7 in the morning and you've never seen anything like this before, that's for sure. I'm at the flower market here in Kolkata, and hang out with me for a minute and I'll take you on a tour inside the flower market, and the most raw, unfiltered thing I think I've ever seen. Amazing, really amazing. So the Malik Ghat flower market is not only the largest flower market in all of India, but it is considered to be the largest flower market in all of Southeast Asia. I mean, it's just an amazing experience. In addition to just being a flower market, it's the best place in the world where you can see like real Kolkata life happening right before your very eyes. I was the only foreigner here in the market. I mean, I didn't see one other Western person here, not one. And everyone here was very nice to me, very kind to me. They were busy. I mean, they have a job to do and they're trying to make money, but they were nice to me, and I was impressed. So I'm here today on a Friday morning. I'm here about 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is what life is like here at the flower market at 7 o'clock in the morning. It starts around 4 o'clock in the morning, but I'm not going to be here at 4 in the morning. In fact, I'm not doing much of anything at 4 in the morning except sleeping. But anyway, if you're here at 7 in the morning, this is what you're going to see. It's a busy place. So this whole experience really blew me away. I mean, I just couldn't believe the amount of energy that these people were spending to make flowers available to everyone. I mean, just flowers seem more important than food. And yet many of these people really don't look like they have much of anything. In fact, I learned that many of these people live inside these little huts that they sell their flowers out of. I mean, they literally live, breathe, sleep, and just everything all about flowers. So my question to others was, you know, it seems like flowers is more important than food. So I'm staying in this homestay with an Indian family, and I'm going to show you that later in the video, so hang out until the end, and I'll actually show you my homestay with my Indian host family. You might want to stay there if you're coming to Kolkata. But anyway, I asked the Indian lady, who is, you know, the queen of the house, you know, what is it about, you know, the flowers? Why is it so important to everyone here in India? And she explained to me that in the Hindu religion, the flowers are extremely important. In fact, each deity, each god, you have to honor that deity with flowers, and each one of them, and there are many, I guess, require different kinds of flowers. So every single day, they offer new flowers in their home, and every Indian family has a temple inside their home. So flowers are everything, and this market is proof of that. And this is the biggest one in all of India, and the biggest one, I guess, in Southeast Asia. And, you know, these people, flowers are really important, and now you know the reason why.
This is our temple.
This temple?
Yeah, this is our temple, and we pray to all our gods: Ganesh, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Shivji, Hanumanji, Jagannathji, Pashupatiji. We have lakhs of gods. Lakhs of gods. So we pray to all of them, and every day.
Every day?
Every day.
So when I go to the flower market,
yes,
okay,
yes.
To me, it looked to me
yes.
like flowers were more important than food.
Yes, you can see.
Yeah. And
we
so
have every day we put flowers.
So Rashish was telling me that there is a flower for each
God, yes, yes,
deity
yes.
or God.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. That is why.
Okay.
And we have this is the month of Shivji, Lord Shiva. Shiva is the creator. So
okay.
this month is for Shiva.
Okay.
So there'll be people fasting, they'll be turning vegetarian. From tomorrow it starts.
So the reason the flowers are so important is because every day you have to have a flower to
For all
bring
the
back
gods.
to your
Yeah.
home.
Tomorrow I will show you. For Shivji there's a different flower which we offer on Monday. So I will show you the flower
On Monday.
On Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I never saw so many flowers in all my life
Yes,
at the flower
yes,
market.
yes.
Amazing to me.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
And so that's the reason why, because every home has a temple like
Yes,
this,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
Wow. So this massive bridge you see right above the flower market is known as the very famous Howrah Bridge. And it is considered to be like, you know, the symbol of Kolkata. Very, very famous, huge amount of history goes along with this bridge. Carries more than 100,000 vehicles that cross the bridge over the river, the very famous Hooghly River, every day, 100,000 vehicles every day, and more than 150,000 pedestrians are crossing the bridge, and many of them, or most of them, are coming across with flowers from the train station coming over here to the market. Super, super famous in Kolkata. So the Howrah Bridge currently holds the record for the busiest cantilever bridge in the world and is currently the 6th longest bridge of its type in the entire world. So, fun fact for you, until 2001, the city was known as Calcutta, which is an English version of the Bengali name Kolkata. So in 2001, they changed the name officially to reflect the Bengalese pronunciation of Kolkata. And now it's Kolkata and no longer pronounced or spelled Calcutta. But that's a fun fact that you should know about. And because people in this city celebrate everything with huge energy and big festivals, and they just love to celebrate and have a good time, this city is known as the City of Joy. And you can research that, you can look for it, but it's called the City of Joy. Hi. Beautiful flower. I live in Bangkok, but I'm from the United States. What's that? A lot of bees. Wow.
100.
100. Okay, it's beautiful.
100. Luna.
For you. No, for you.
Luna.
That's okay. So right between the flower market and the river is what's known as the Malik Ghat. That's G-H-A-T. And what a ghat is on the river. When you see steps that are built along the river to go down into the water, that's called a ghat. But this particular one, the Malik Ghat, has been around since the 1850s. It's quite old. It's over 150 years old. But people who actually live in and around here live in these little flower shacks that you're seeing all here in the market. They go down there to bathe in the river. They go down there to do their laundry in the river. They go down there to do a lot of things in the river. They go down there to swim in the river. I did find my way down in there through I had to look for it. But if you come with me on the next video, you're going to see that, because I actually made another video for that. This video will be too long if I continue on. So I had a great morning at the flower market, and I'm on my way back now to have a coffee. But that was amazing. Really amazing. So this is my homestay. It's right in the Park Street area. It looks a little shady and you know, yeah, it does look a little funny and everything, but actually once I get inside the home and with my host family, you know, life is good in the apartment, and my room is very good. Excellent internet, by the way. Okay. Has this very old elevator that I haven't seen in many years, and actually I found this very interesting, but it worked okay.
Third floor. The door is open. Please close the door. The door is open. Please close the door.
So in the morning, I'm going to show you my host family's breakfast that they gave to me in the morning, and I'll show you around. So good morning. I'm inside my room at my Kolkata India homestay. I'm actually staying, and I've never done this before, but I'm actually staying with an Indian family. You literally have to walk through their living room. They have their helper lady, their maid, and the daughter who lives here. And this morning they're going to make me an Indian breakfast, and I'm actually excited about that. The man, Rashish, and his wife have been really kind to me, giving me lots of advice. I actually think I'm gonna walk out of the room, enjoying breakfast, and hopefully they're okay with me putting it on video for my memory and to show you guys out there. But this is an experience like no other. I've never actually done this before. All right, here we go. Good morning. Wow.
Wow, see.
And this, what do you call this bread here? This bread, what do you call that?
Puri.
Puri?
Puri. P-U-R-I.
P-U-R-I. Oh, I've never had puri.
Oh, first time.
Yeah, I like naan. I eat a lot of naan, but
Puri with aloo. Potato.
potato. Okay. Great.
Yes.
Good morning.
Hope you like it. Enjoy your meal.
Of course. Thank you so much. Okay. So I feel like lucky guy today. You take this like this, and it's like potato. It's really good. Wow.
This is our temple.
This temple?
Yeah, this is our temple, and we pray to all our gods. Ganesh, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Shivji, Hanumanji, Jagannathji, Pashupatiji. We have lakhs of gods. Lakhs of gods. So we pray to all of them, and every day.
Every day.
Every day.
So when I go to the flower market,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
to me, it looked to me
Yes.
like flowers were more important than food.
Yes, you can see.
Yeah. And
We
so,
have put every day we put flowers.
so Rashish was telling me that there is a flower for each
God, yes, yes.
deity or god.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. That is why.
Okay.
And we have this is the month of Shivji, Lord Shiva. Shiva is the creator. So
okay.
this month is for Shiva.
Okay.
So there'll be people fasting. They'll be turning vegetarian. From tomorrow it starts.
So the reason the flowers are so important is because every day you have to have a flower to
For all
bring
the
back
gods.
to your
Yeah.
home.
Tomorrow I will show you. For Shivji, there's a different flower which we offer on Monday. So I will show you the flower
On
tomorrow.
Monday.
On Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I never saw so many flowers in all my life
Yes,
at the
yes,
flower
yes,
market.
yes, yes.
Amazing to me.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
And so that's the reason why, because every home has a temple like
Yes,
this,
yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
Wow. Thank you for
Thank
telling
you,
me about
thank
that, because for me, I didn't understand it, you
Yes,
know, and
yes.
very helpful.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for breakfast.
Thank you.
All right.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.